Can you sing it, Louis? Oh, that was great. What else you got to sing? Huh? That's it? You need to give us some dog barking. That's not a bark. That's not one neither. Come on. Where's Taco? Huh? There you go. That's Taco's bark. What about Uncle Burt? Oh yeah? You want to give kisses to Uncle Burt? Oh, there's his bark. Good baby. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Louis. Where are you going? Mama loves you. Kisses? Kisses? Oh, you're so sweet. You looking for Taco? Yeah? Oh my goodness, it's warm outside. Hey, Grandma's, it's warm. There's no snow. You wanna go outside? Huh? Yeah? Oh my goodness. You got a drop around there. Mama's got to clean up your window. Oh, okay. I didn't drop it like that. What do you think? Should I clean up your mess? Should I, huh? I gotta clean up your mess, baby. Look at that. You made a mess. See, we gotta clean it up. Good job. You let me clean it up without biting me. What a good girl. Your beak's all nice and shiny. I seen you all washing it up today. Yeah. What do you think? Should we get dressed and go outside? It's warm out. It's warm enough for you to go out there. Yeah. Should we go for a walk? Go inspect Grandma's backyard? What do you think? You're funny. You're funny. What do you think? Should we get you out some clothes? Yeah? All right. I love you. She's like, take me outside already. Ooh, do a big bird. Ooh, wow.